Hi, welcome to Upskill Technologies. This is the second video in the series Advanced Excel Training. So in the first video we've seen what is a ribbon, what is a formula bar, the status bar, the columns, rows and the Excel spreadsheet, how to zoom in and how to zoom out. So those were the basics, and now let's see how to actually enter data in Excel. So suppose I would want to enter a word India, country India, in cell G5. So the first thing that I should do is I should navigate to that particular cell. So I go to G5, I take my cursor and I click here. So now I'm sure that this cell is selected, so I gotta select the cell before I start typing or entering anything here. Now that it's selected, I can directly type INDIA. And the important thing is, whenever you're done typing, don't just leave the cursor there. You have to hit the enter key or the return key. So I hit enter. Right, so this is how you type anything in a cell. Let's try this by typing London in, say, J2. So I go here to J2, I type LONDON. And if you don't hit enter, you see that everything on the top in the ribbon is all grayed out. So that's what happens because you are still in the editing mode. So to come out, you have to always hit enter. That's it. Right, so let me try one more time. Let's say I have to type here Paris. So I go here and I type Paris. Yeah, I noticed that I made a mistake, but after hitting enter. So how do I go and correct it, amend it? What do? What I do is I select this cell and I can go from here, the formula bar. You remember this is the formula bar. I can go here and I can change it from here and hit enter. Or else if I want to completely override this, I can also do it this way. To override this thing with, say, Germany, what I need to do is I don't have to delete this completely and write it again. What I can just do is I can keep my cursor here and type Germany. That will automatically overwrite it. Right? So again, suppose like I want to change this to German, the language German, and I want to just remove Y. I can also double click here to get inside the cell, use the arrow keys, go to the end and hit a backspace to remove the additional Y. And now if you're done, if you're happy with this, you hit enter. Right, so this is how you write and edit the data in Excel. Similar things for numbers. If you want to type a number, you type the number, you hit enter. If you want to edit it, you either go into the formula bar and change it, or you double click the cell, you get into the inside of the cell and then you change it. Or else you can also use function key F2. So when I keep my cursor here and I hit function key F2, it goes inside the cell where I can add, delete or append. Alright, so that is it for this class.